I'm gonna do $25, okay?
Yeah, $25. Super Bowl Sunday, we're here at the Palms.
Let me get my card out. I like my Palms card.
We're gonna play Buffalo Chief because the Chiefs are playing today.
Yes. You might have
We're
to.
gonna do Eagles. We're gonna find the Eagle game, do Chiefs versus Eagles, see who wins.
I think there might even be an eagle on this Chiefs game. Oh, and look, I have free play cash.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna do the 1 set. And I'm feeling lucky today, so we're gonna do 160. Here we go. We need 3 of these, either the Lady Liberty or the Eagle coin, in order to get a bonus. Come on.
Let's go Chief.
Let's go Chief. The Buffalo Chief is a multiplier. But he only comes during the bonus. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. There's that eagle on the Chiefs game. What the heck?
Oh.
Huh. Come on. Bring it.
Oh. There you go.
I got a little bit of a refill.
All right.
$4 times 2, it's an $8 hit, so I'll take it. And I got a little bit of a fill up. And that's 10s. Come on, Buffalo Chief, show me what you got.
Oh.
That's $3 times 2, that's $6 refill there. Oh, you're gonna grow up and be a buffalo one day. Remember, in the original Buffalo, the heads change on, well, actually I think it's on Buffalo Gold. Come on, Buffalo. There you go, come on, Muss.
Oh. Oh, there it is.
That was the third one from the last hit. Oh boy. Yes, yes, Muss.
Jesus, teasing.
Yes, bring it.
Oh.
Last spin. Oh, this is the last spin. Oh, you can't win them all.
Oh.
But you can try.
Okay, let's see how we do on the Eagles later.
All right, we'll try an Eagle game later.
And we'll see who wins the Super Bowl.
Toodles.
Thank you for playing.
Here we are at the Palm still going to do our Super Bowl.
We're going to be,
Or Eagles versus Chiefs.
Chiefs Super Bowl play.
Yeah.
So today we're going to play the Birds of Pay. So here we go. Birds of Pay.
Birds of Pay.
Which
So,
features an eagle for the Birds of Pay.
yeah. There he is, the eagle. So the Buffalo Chief, he didn't do so well. So let's see if the Eagle wins the Super Bowl.
Let's see.
All right.
And we're going to do 60 cents. We're going to do a $20 challenge. Got to turn that up. Let's do it. Come on, Eagles. So if you get 3 eggs, gold eggs in a row, that's the bonus. And yes, it's an Aristocat, so yeah. That's like a wild as the eagle.
Yeah.
The bonus on this is kind of fun, but these games are few and far between. It's hard to find them. But if you get a bonus, you get all these eagles that fly down. Hopefully we can show that to you guys today. Come on, Birds of Pay, make it worth our while. There goes that little fox. Maybe we'll get a bonus. Bonus. Eggs, gold eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Here we go. Now watch the eagle at the top. Get the eagle. He's going to fly down. All right, here we go. Come on, Eagles. Maybe I was wrong. Come on, make it a good bonus. Here we go.
That's cool.
Here they come. Let's go Eagles. Oh my goodness. Maybe the Eagles will win the Super Bowl.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Eagle. Oh wow, look at all the foxes.
How much is that?
I don't know, but it's a phenomenal win.
Fox City.
Nice. Dun, 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 dun.
That's crazy.
Seriously, wow. Looks like the $20 bonus is a winner on this game.
Yeah.
Or the $20 challenge, I should say. Dun, dun. And yes, we get the marching band music with this. And the eagle is still flying in the sky. And we're going to catch the coins. Da, 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 da. And we got the little winking fox. Super cute. Yes. I love it. I love it. Awesome. Yay. Why, thank you, Mr. Eagle. Or actually, I should say Mr. Fox. And let's do this. Let's get a bonus. Let's get a nice eagle goodbye. Oh, that's it. That's okay. Thank you, Eagle. All right. We're going to keep on keeping on. Maybe we'll cash out soon. Let's cash out at $40.
Cash out 40, sure. I think that's a sign he's going to win Super Bowl.
I don't know, maybe. All right. Wow. Drop in the bucket. It's last spin. All right, we double our 20. We're going to cash out at $40.05, and it looks like the Eagles Birds of Pay won our $20 challenge for us. Woohoo! Doubled that 40 or 20. Woohoo! Woohoo! All right, thanks a lot. Like and subscribe, Toodles.